Robert Rosenthal, in 1965, he created an experiment. He created the intelligence identification tool. And so he took this experiment to an elementary school in California. And so he explained to the teachers and the faculty that this test would allow the teachers to identify individuals, students that are high potential in their intelligence. And so everyone liked the idea, and so they decided to perform the test. And so performing the test, he came up with the results and he shared it with the teacher. About 20% of the student body was identified as high potential. And so when they gave the list to the teachers, they started teaching the students accordingly. And Robert Rosenthal said that disregard any past behaviors. Maybe they didn't demonstrate any scope of high aptitude. But these test results shows that they have potential to excel in academics. And so after 1 year, Robert Rosenthal came back and he performed the test again. And as he expected, in the first grade, 27 students scored a higher IQ of 27 points versus 12 IQ points than the rest of the class. In the second grade, it was 17 IQ points increased compared to 7 IQ points for the rest of the class. Now, the twist to this experiment is that this whole experiment was baloney. There was no high potential tool that would identify these students. It was more into understanding the relationship between the teacher and the students. And when the teacher saw the students as having high potentials, they automatically treated their students differently. They gave them more attention. They helped them out more with their homeworks. They answered their questions with more diligence. And so we see that when one individual sees someone else with a high capacity or high potential, their behaviors change.